Hi, welcome to this sneak preview video of ArcoLInuxB Openbox. So ArcoLInuxB is a project where you build your ISO yourself, but some of us don't want to do that and just download the ISO and burn it with Etcher, for instance, on a USB and boot it up. I've done my update. I've done my upall at some point in time, somewhere in there. And then I typed something wrong, and then I installed Simple Screen Recorder, and here we are recording where we on, what this is. This is a sneak preview. This can be anything really. I can talk about anything, but it's Openbox, which means it still has a menu. Right mouse click gives you something, right? The tiling window managers are really keyboard driven, but this is as well. Ctrl-Alt-T, Super Shift Enter, it's all gonna work just fine. It is still a minimal, so you'll see in April, you will see that in Calamares you get lots of screens and you can decide to install Xonotic or sauerbraten or any of the games. So I'm gonna do games part in this particular video because I'm making a sneak preview series, a playlist, and in each video I explain something else. So it doesn't matter what system, what desktop you're on, it's just fun and playing games, and it's also stable because it's on ArcoLInux. You can install more, but this is what you have when you boot it up, so it's a minimal installation. I did not select anything on Calamares, and this is what you get. So take a look at the applications you already have. Genie is there because of the fact that we have here in here things that actually say open up Genie and open the conky. So yeah, Genie is required, otherwise you get a big fat error. So these are all changes, partly coming from XFC, because Openbox is not really a full complete desktop compared with Cinnamon, Mate, XFC, Plasma. It's a gathering of applications together, and that makes up a desktop. So you see here things that are part of XFC as well, and how to set a wallpaper and how it is going to look and all that. This, by the way, is tint2. That's the thing up here. I've made a video of ArcoLInuxB extended, and extended we have a polybar. So you can take a look at these two videos and then you say, oh, look at that, it's indeed totally different. Now we could for instance include some more knowledge about this tint2 GUI, which is actually super awesome. This toolbar is great, and just clicking, applying, yes please, and suddenly the menu is at the bottom. It looks totally different, and go ahead and keep changing, right? Now it's at the top, and we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 workspaces, 4 I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. These are all the same in the sense that they're all arc colors, so if you're using the arc theme, you know what I'm talking about. These are all the colors that go together with an arc theme. So a right mouse click is now blue, but you can make it also pink and red and gray and so on. So this menu is the same as that menu. Now there are so many more, some really strange as well. So I want to go through a few of them, the strange guys in here. There are guys, Brava it's called. Let's see, Brava. It's gonna be looking like this. This is a special one. All right. And it's so easy to create one yourself. It's super easy, super creative to make a tint2 panel. It's super fun, really is. And that's how we made it. So you see there's nothing really, it's super minimal here. With the Ctrl-T, it gets bigger and so on. So it grows on you here, but it's super minimal menu and a nice menu to that. So Alt-N, let's take another, let's wait for it, kick it in, come on, voila, Alt-N. So that's variety kicking in, little icon up there. It's actually quite compact, this little menu. So you like this, but you don't like the colors, change it. Super simple, it is. There are tutorials about it, of course. There are some strange things that are not from us, vertical dark things. We could take one of them. So that's standard from tint2 itself, just to showcase, I guess, what can be done. So if you like that, why not? Nice as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have it here, the elements, and here are all the icons rather than here. That's a normal thing. It can be fixed in the code, I think it was somewhere. But here are so many possibilities. And if you want to go on and say, okay, I have found something that I like. Let's take another one, infinity. But there's a little gap up here. Let's do an Alt-N so you see it. So that's nice if you like the gaps, and if you don't like the gaps, you double click this thing and it's loading up. And all you need to do is navigate, think, try, change something, apply, check it out, change something, apply, check it out. That's how I learned what is what particular thing is here happening, right? So the position, the monitor, all, how long should it be? Why not make it a little bit smaller? That's a little bit too small, Eric. Let's take it 50%, right? Okay, apply. Ah, that's gonna happen. And I put it in here, and it's going to put it in the middle. That's nice too. And there's so many, look at all the parameters you can have a look at and change things. So that's awesome. Okay, I have my new thing here. Games. Yeah, I'm missing an icon, I think. Where's my PAMAC tray? So PAMAC, let's have a look if it's there. PAMAC is installed, that's okay. PAMAC tray, probably played too much with it. So that little icon is the one I was looking for. And we have categories, we have repositories, we have the repo large, and most of the games are in here. The large things, I think, will be in here, if there are games at all, because my sauerbraten and Genotic actually are coming. This is Neverball, this is indeed a game, but I've made already a video about it, so I'm gonna skip you. There is a video already about that particular game. And I don't think I have created one for sauerbraten, so sudo pacman, let's do that, sudo pacman -s sauerbraten. So all these applications will be available on Calamares. You decide at the moment of installation in your Calamares, I want to have that. I've done the Knights, for instance, a chess game, sauerbraten, Genotic, Neverball. There's the one where the airplanes, where you shoot and all that. I could have a peek while it's doing its job here. I could have a quick peek what was all over again. Ctrl-Alt-F should launch Firefox, double clicking it. So it never is going over it, but you can do that as well. You can tell this tint2 to be gone and have a complete screen as well. So I just wanted to show you what will happen in April. And at this point in time, it's all very beta. We're testing it for you guys. And we'll have all these images, these choices, these screens, and you choose communication software like Skype and TeamViewer and WhatsApp and all that, and Zoom, so many more. Development stuff, all the for Office, everything for audio video, everything for internet, and theming, and here are the games. So we have Armageddon we can install, Astra Menace. I was thinking about Chromium, that's the one I was thinking. Chromium BSU, Extreme Tux Racer, Free Civilization, GNOME Chess within a video with GNOME Chess and GNU Chess and Knights. Okay, Breakout, Lutris Minecraft Launcher, made a video about it, Neverball, video about it. Sauerbraten, I don't think I have a video. Xonotic, I have made videos about it. So that's gonna be on the ISO. You just click, boom, it's installed, but you need to have an internet connection. Sauerbraten seems to be installed. Right mouse click, Games, Sauerbraten, boom. And I hope everything is gonna work. The sound is on, obviously. Let's see if I can make it a little bit less in sound. Sound is up here, sound volume. Music is here, music volume like this. And sound volume. Music is not that bad, but I want you to hear me, of course. And then display, GFX, game, all kind of things that I've never looked at. But you know that the students between one lesson and the other lesson, and they have Linux on their machine, they tend to game, and it's for free. Okay, I guess I should start somewhere. Bot match, bottom mount. Okay, start match. Game mode, group editor, team play. So I don't know what to choose. This is not my thing, you know that. All kinds of stuff. I've played it at some point in time. I have played it because I recognized something in space. I thought, let's go for the dark. The garden. Instantly protect the flag, touch the enemies, and so on. Okay, we are playing. This is zoom in, which shouldn't be zoom in for me. Shells, what's that all about? Woo. Okay, I should do an editing thing here. My arrow keys are working as well. I can't shoot, but I can walk. Look at that, I'm going inside it. I must have touched something here. Editing. Toggle spectator. But I keep going inside. That's fun. I'm a spectator, so I can go from here, have a look what they're doing. And that's the world around me. Nice. It's incredible, right? And all for free. So, disconnect and quit. Oops, that's about and quit. That's it, I'm out. I hope there was not too much lag during the video here. But as you see, you can make Openbox so beautiful with tint2. It's just amazing when you come back to it and say, look, this looks just awesome. And it's so simple to do. It's all in there in tint2 GUI. Graphical user interface, or you go to the file, of course, itself, and then figure it out there. But hey, that's all a choice. You choose. So tint2, that's it. We've done all kinds of changes, so all kind of things that we selected, applied. Every time it's gonna make a backup, right? And this is the last one. This is the thing that we are looking at now. It's opening directly this one, but I can say, let's open it with Genie. It's all in here. If you want to say, no, panel size, I like to have it 49%, then it's going to be 49%, right? Simple as that. But then, of course, you need to read all these things. The easiest thing to know what's going on. So the battery tooltip, probably that's going to be the tooltip, right? 0, done. There is no battery in my machine. This is desktop. Stuff like that. All right, enjoy Openbox. This is ArcoLInuxB Openbox. Maybe that's something to explain as well. Just one last thing. This is not the regular menu. If you're on the flagship XFC Openbox i3, then you have other possibilities. You have ArcoLinux, always start with that. Then it's probably something to do with Openbox, right? And then take a look. Those are the things about what you can change. But in this case, I want to talk about the menu. And the menu is generated with OB menu generator. So if you want to have an other menu, this is the standard one from XFC Openbox i3. This is the minimal one. I'm thinking that's the one I'm using here. I'm not sure. And that's the one from extended ISO, the ISO where we have Openbox and 6 styling window managers. So we have 3 menus, 3 things, 3 like this, that are totally different from each other. So let me see what is on here, what I'm using now. I'm guessing the minimal, but I don't know. Who makes all these things? It's the minimal, right? So that's how you see it. Try to remove it. If it can be removed, well, then it's installed. So we are using now the OB menu generator minimal. And why am I saying this? Because you can switch in the flagship anywhere. You can switch between this one, that one, and that one. You have 3 menus in Openbox. Did you know? Right? Okay. Have fun, guys. This is just a sneak preview, but it's been a little bit longer. Have fun.